Good everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you very much. We are given the question, why open bracket 2 minus 1 close bracket equals to 2. So now to solve this, we have to use what is outside to the bracket to multiply everything within the bracket, or we'll just solve what is inside the bracket, because when inside the bracket are whole numbers, they can be subtracted. So now let's solve what is inside the bracket first. So now y close bracket 2 minus 1 give us what? 1 equals to 2. Remember that our bracket also means multiplication. So now y times 1 give us y1, will give us 1y, but in mathematics we can't write 1y, so we just write y equals to 2. The reason why I'm not dividing is because there's an invisible 1 here. So if I to even divide by 1 here and divide by 1 will cancel 1 and we're left with 2 here. 2 over 1 to give us 2. That is why we're not dividing. If it was another number that was there, let's say 2 that was there, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y. But now, because it is 1y, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, that's 1. So our y is still 2. So now let's solve it in the expansion form. Remember, this our bracket means multiplication. Y times 2 give us 2y. There's an invisible plus here. Remember, plus times minus give us minus. Y times 1 give us y. You can write 1y, but just have it at the back of your mind that there's an invisible 1 here. So now equals to 2. Remember, it's only this y is only affecting what is inside the bracket. What is outside the bracket is no more affecting it again, because we can't use y to multiply this 2, because this 2 is not inside the bracket, it's already outside the bracket. So now, 2y minus y. In order for you to understand, let's put our 1 here. So now let's solve. 2 minus 1 give us what? 1. Then add the 1. That's equals to 2. Divide both sides by 1. Divide both sides by 1. 1 cancel 1. Our y is equals to 2 divided by 1 give us what? 2. See, it is still the same answer. If I have to substitute it, you see that here will give us 2 and here will also give us 2. Let's try it. So when our y is 2, 2 minus 1 give us what? That's 1. So 2 times 1. What I mean now, when our y is 2, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 give us 1. Remember, bracket also means multiplication. So 2 times 1 give us 2. So I left it 2 here, I left it 2 here. 2 are correct. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you very much.